show you how to use this Remington straightener. I did a video of this, a review, and I didn't like it at the beginning, but since I've been using it, I'm in love with this. I did get it in Target for really cheap, like around 10 or 12 bucks with coupons and promotions and all that good stuff. And good thing I went in the right time. So if you want to see more of this straightener and how I straighten my hair, stay tuned. This is how it looks like whenever you wake up or you brush it, it's not straight or good enough. So I used the Remington. Description, I put what the model of this Remington is, so y'all can search it up or get it in Target. I purchased this in Target for really cheap. So let's get started. So let's turn it on. This is how you turn it on. And it says 350. It goes all the way down to 310. You can do it all the way to 410, but I'm not doing 410. I don't want to burn my hair or anything, so I just go to 310 to straighten just a little bit. I'm gonna go to 330 to make it a little bit faster or whatnot. So what I do, it's go on parts from your ears here. I just grab my thumbs and go all the way across my head. So this is how I do it. It's like you're doing a ponytail, but you're not. And the rest of the hair, I just turn it and I use a clip and I just clip my hair like this. And what I do is just part it in half and just on the side. And what I do, I just get a small portion of it, or if you want more to it, but for me, I just go small portions. And what I do is start from the top and I just go down. I actually press when I go all the way up. I press here, not over here, because over here is really hot. You don't want to burn yourself. And this, how it looks like when you straighten it. I already added the protection on my hair, so I'm just showing you how I straighten my hair. But I really like this straightener because it doesn't give you flyaways or anything. But if you got flyaways or you want to put more stuff, what I use is the Freeze Extra Strength. That's what I use. And then you go with the other part, go all the way up and then go down. And that's how I do it. Okay, this is how it looks like now that's straight. So now I get the other part on the top of my head and do the same thing. My thumbs all around my head. Same thing like you're doing a ponytail, but you're not. And just twist it. And then you see how it looks compared to the bottom. Well, what I do is just same thing what I did in the bottom. Get a portion, start from the top and go down twice if you need to. Not that you need, but it's a really great straightener. I'm finished. Once you're finished, this is what I use. I just pump 2 times, rub it, and then just play with your hair. Just put the product on the tips or anywhere, basically your whole hair, so it can look shiny and straight and controls the freeze. If you want it curved inside, like on your face, like layered, this is how I do it. So you get a portion of it, same thing as like you straighten it, and then just put it in. This is how it looks like. Go straight and then inwards. Okay, this is how it looks like. Instead of straight like this, you can have it flipped in. There it goes. And it looks cute. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click that notification button on so you won't miss another video.